This is an example of how to make a line graph in Excel. For this example, notice we have our data in one column and we have one value for 10 time points. Also notice that the time points are unitless. We begin by highlighting the data, the time points, and the column titles. We then click on the tab labeled Charts and then click on the icon labeled Line. This will open a new window containing different line graph types. Select Line, which will pull up a new graph in the Excel spreadsheet. We can adjust the size of the graph by pulling on any of the corners of the graph. Let's verify that Excel graphed the correct data. We see that all 10 time points are on the x-axis and the corresponding values for each of the time points are on the y-axis. We can change the type of line graph by clicking on the line icon and selecting one of the different types of line graphs. In this next part of the demonstration, we will show you how the appearance of the graph changes when we substitute unitless time intervals with time intervals in minutes. The first thing that we're going to do is minimize the first graph that we made and put it off to the side. We then paste in our new data set. Notice that the values in the water loss column are identical to those in the previous example. However, the values in the time column are scaled in minutes. For this data set, we're going to use a scatter plot. We're going to click on the scatter icon and select one of the choices of scatter plot. This will open a new graph in our spreadsheet. I'm going to adjust the size and remove some of the items using the delete key. If you wish to make changes to an axis, you can double click on it, which will pull up a new window that allows you to edit several options, such as the axis maximum value. We have now created two graphs using identical y-axis values, but because we have changed the meaning of the x-axis values, the appearance of our graph changes.